Hey guys, what's up? Eric here with Just Eric Personal. Gonna try to be quiet right now, so I'm sorry if my voice is a little bit low. Everyone's in bed, so except for me. um, I'm not very good about having a good sleep schedule lately. Um, yeah, I need to get a handle on that. So, especially if I'm going into the fitness slash health industry. So, a little critique for myself. Anywho, um, but on a serious note, because this is a serious video that I really want to do, and I feel like I should do this. Like I should make a video about it. I was watching a little bit of a program on TV. It was called Extreme Drug Smuggling, I believe, and it talked about how dogs are sometimes used to smuggle drugs into other countries and stuff. And it talked about what they do to the poor dogs to get the drugs inside of them so they can be smuggled into these places, and it's just horrible. It's really sad. It's really horrible. Um, they cut the dogs open and they stick the dogs in, or stick the. I'm sorry. I said, wow, stick the drugs inside the dogs. I'm sorry, I messed up. I didn't mean to. I just find that despicable. I really do. I mean, it's bad enough, like, like, that you picked up a needle and jammed it in yourself, and became hooked. I mean, nobody made you, um, become addicted to this stuff, but you're torturing poor, innocent, adorable, loving animals to get your fix. It's horrible. It's just sad. And yes, I can speak, by the way, um, about drugs or whatever, because I have chronic pain issues with which I have to sometimes use narcotics. I will make a video about that in the future, hopefully the near future. Um, and I really don't care what people think about that, because it's not for fun. I hate doing it. I hate it. But I have to sometimes. I don't do it a lot, but sometimes I have to. Anyway, this isn't about me. Um, just saying I can kind of say that because I've never been addicted, and I've been on some heavy stuff for pain, because I have nerve damage and stuff. Um, but anywho, it's just awful. Um, my heart goes out to to people who have addictions. I mean, addictions can be to drugs or anything else, but um, I do have sympathy for them, even though I know that they've kind of caused it. Um, but I mean, I have sympathy because I know that the withdrawals to some of that stuff can be very horrible. Um, I've seen it, and it's terrible. Um, and this isn't people who need it, who need narcotics for pain purposes, for pain control purposes. Um, and that's That's another thing that irritates me is that people are just abusing it like it's nothing. They're using this stuff like, okay, who cares? What if I kill myself? Whatever. Like, who cares? It's no big deal. I'll just shoot up some heroin. No big, whatever. Um, and I mean, I know there's probably some guilt that goes along with it. So if anyone's seeing this and they're an ex-addict or whatever to heroin or whatever, I'm sorry. If that offends you, um, and you did try to get off the stuff and you felt guilty and all that, I'm sorry for offending you. But for the addicts who don't care and who want to stay on this stuff and don't want to get off of it and want to cut dogs open and sew them shut again and don't care if the dogs die, who are heartless and don't care, to people like that, you sicken me and you're pathetic. You need to get a life. Get some help. Seriously, because that's horrible. To injure and even kill poor innocent animals just to get your fix. Alright, I just had to get that off my chest that they do that to poor innocent animals and stuff, and also I feel bad for humans who have to smuggle this stuff too, because humans go through horrible stuff to smuggle it too, I'm sure, although some of the humans that are doing the smuggling in their buttholes or whatever might be addicts, I don't know, but anywho, alright, that's my opinion. Bye. God bless. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.